Let's see. Yo. What's up, chat? All right. Here we are. Market's about to open. It just opened. And we are dumping. Going into today, obviously, we're already past our previous day range. I feel like we're heading towards this low, 767. We are trading inside a 4-hour and also a 1-hour gap right now. I would want to see some sort of, sell side sequence, but there's only one big gap, and I don't know how I feel about, taking an entry because we've been around this range for so long. Yo, good morning. What up, Ant? What up, Alex? Alex Ant. Same thing on the 5:15, the 5-minute. There's no gaps around this area except for this big candle that, was news candle. So going into today, obviously, like, our only setups will come from longs. So I'm waiting for a sweep of London lows and then a buy sequence up to these highs. If we get that, we'll make money. If we keep on, just dumping, there's nothing for me to catch right now unless it's gaps that we made right now. What up, Ben? If that makes any sense. Obviously I don't want to take anything within this gap. So if price, let's say, makes a move to the upside and then comes down, that would be something we can catch. But we will see. We already had the red folder. We have a 10:30 a.m. folder, and then that is it for today. Tomorrow we have a 10 a.m. orange folder, and should be good. These accounts are sitting well on the week. We are up 1275. So, I feel like we've been doing a really good job trading these accounts. So, if today means that we have to go break even, that's perfectly fine with me. But yeah. See if we take out these lows. NQ looks like it's leading today. Yes, it's far off from London lows. And even in this range to the downside, there wasn't really any gaps you can take. The only valid gap that I see is this 1 minute that we would have to wait for a closure. But look at where the entry is, 22 points already. So it's just not worth it. Morning, Zell. What up, fishy? Bro, I am so tired. We attempted to go shark fishing it last night. Didn't get home till about 3:30. I literally took a nap. And after I'm done streaming, more than likely I'm gonna take another nap. 'Cause I'm so tired. Unless, you know, the caffeine hits and we're good. What beach? We were at Madeira. We were at Madeira Beach. Shark fishing, y'all catch anything? No, we did not. It was my first time, like, being in the presence of shark fishing, so I just wanted to go there for the experience. There was the guys that were there, they knew everything about it. I was just there. But if we did catch a shark, I'll be the first one to take a picture of it. I larp sharks. Sharks. My cousins live there. Yeah, it's a cool spot. Like, living by the beach is always really, really nice. But you gotta be, careful with the storms and stuff, so. But, yeah. Didn't take out London lows there from that push. Same thing with ES. We need some sort of sweep before I even look to take any trade. Yesterday there was a lot of sequences where ES would take out London highs, NQ would not. Then ES went ahead and took out Asia lows, and then NQ did not again. So hopefully it's not a day where that repeats. I want NQ to take out the levels. So we should be fine, hopefully. But yeah, I finally got the trade recap of the 3 trades that I missed up on the YouTube channel. It took me a minute to edit, but it's whatever. Got it out the way, so I don't have to, do a 4 trade recap if we do take a trade today. Now it's just back to normal. Every single day, you take a trade, and you make sure you record the trade. So I just started my recording. You just go from there. I am gonna go get my coffee real quick. Gonna set a limit. Well, not a limit, an alert. So whenever we take our London lows, I will know. Give me 2 minutes. I'll be right back. We are back. I already feel a lot better. Morning, Tris. All right, did we take out those London lows? We did not. But it looks like we are about to in a minute. All right, we got to get the word out the way. Okay, we got the T and the E in the wrong spots. Wait, you might take out these London lows. ES is just not pushing right now. Did y'all do the Wordle yet? All right, this might be the push where we took out these London lows. And there we go. All right. London lows are done for. Did not take it out on ES, by the way. So Wordle was odd today. London swept. Don't tell me it was an odd word, man. Now from here, if you continue to obviously, go below, there just isn't any levels for us. I'm gonna be honest. The only thing there is just this gap to get filled, which I mean it's probably going to get filled. It's just in between here and where price is, there's just no entry for me. So if you keep on just continuing down, I won't be able to take anything. But if you see some sort of buy structure forming, might be able to take some longs off of here. For example, we have this 1 minute right here that we can use as confirmation and take our entry off of this 1 minute or this 5 minute. Yeah, it's 5 minute. That way, I want to give price some sort of room from London lows. It'll be about 100 points. That way we know that, price is not going to reverse down. So since ES didn't sweep, it's SMT. Yes. Since NQ took out the lows, ES has no objective to take out the lows. I mean, it can always do it, but more than likely, I won't be surprised if ES doesn't come back down and take out these lows. It's not because the market is just moving weird. It's just because NQ already took it out, if that makes sense. It happened yesterday as well. ES took out London highs. NQ did not. We went down. ES took out both London and Asia low. NQ only took out London low and not took out Asia low on the first move up or first move down. What is the difference between a growth and a select account? Type on your website. So a growth account, I feel like it's better for like your first ever account. I feel like you could go with a growth account because the rules are more simpler to get funded. You only need 1 day to get funded. There's no consistency on the eval. But then whenever you are on a funded account, you have to be by 35% consistency. On the select, you have to pass the accounts in at least 3 days. You can't pass it in 1 day. And then once you're on funded, there is no rules basically. Like the only thing you need is 5 winning days, and you'll be able to get a payout. So if I were you, I would get the select plans. I feel like they're just a lot better. So yeah. Right now though, I'm trading the Lightning funded accounts where I don't have an eval. They obviously cost a lot more upfront. For example, like a select 50K account is like $100. These Lightning funded accounts start at $350 per account. But I'm paying that premium upfront because I don't want to be on the eval phase. I'm already funded from day one. So that's what I'm trading right now. SMT is more so when an indice makes higher and lowers. Higher or lowers and the others correlated doesn't. Just be careful. Right now it's SMT because ES didn't make lowers. Yeah. There's obviously more that goes into it, but yeah, basically what Fishy said. Now we're seeing that, buy sequence. I want to see what we do around this 1 minute. Obviously respect it. If we could get a nice closure above, we can possibly take an entry off of this closure right here. Aim for 60 points like always. Something like right here. Stops being at, let's see where we can have our stops at. Probably this low right up here. About like a 56 point stop for a 60 point gain. Basically like a 1-to-1. We can possibly go break even around here on these highs. So now going into this trade, if we do get the entry, everything for me is already set in place. So my entry is probably going to be around 163. Let me just go from there. We just need a closure above. That's it. That's all we're looking for now. Now, if you get to that break-even part before, we get in the trade, then obviously it's invalidated. And looks like we are about to run up. We're already up like 20 plus points. It's crazy. All right, 20 seconds. See if you get this entry in 15 seconds. If we do, this is going to be super early. We'll call it 163. 4, 3. All right, I'm setting my limits at 163. We'll see if we get filled. And I just got filled. I am in these longs. Stops being at 107. TP being at 224.50. All right, we are in this longs, boys. We are in these longs. 30 seconds. Jonathan here, 1500 bro on XFAs. Let's go. That boy Jonathan. Hell yeah, bro. I'm so proud. Good shit. Mostly playing with the soundboard. No, I'm going to have Discord lives, but like, for example, that one day we went live on Asia. We were live on Discord. It's just I want to grow my community on YouTube because I feel like that's where the real education should be at YouTube. So ES took out Asia low, NQ has not. Yeah. Well, this is where it's saying where we took out. Well, yeah. Let's see if we get a push up. All right, there we go. Let's see if you get a break even around 202. We're up about. Oh, come on. Can't even see how much we're up. We're up about 20 points. 21 points on this trade right now. And we will see. Let's see if you get this break even real quick. That way there's no risk in this trade anymore. Quick day for me. I think 12 minutes in the market and I'm done. All right, boys, I'm going to head out. All right, Jonathan. Have a good one, bro. Do not trade again. Do not give up your profits again. Simple as that. But yeah, you guys can see all my levels right here. So 162 is my entry, 224.50 will be my exit, 107 is my current stop. We'll go from there. We're up 10 points right now. I want to see a push towards these highs, but you know, I thought we almost had it. We were up about 31 points, and then we just came back down. So not something I want to see, but that's just trading. So we will see what we decide to do with this trade. We might have to hit the little just dance method, bro. It has been working. Did it 2 days in a row, 2 days of TP. After we go break even, I might play a little just dance. It's only right, you know. Saving this for like my Instagram, saying that we're in longs. But hopefully I did not just jinx my trade by taking a video of it. I did not mean to flex that I'm in profits. I just wanted to put it on my story that we took longs today. Trade is active, yes. Anytime you guys see the bottom of my P&L moving, that means I'm in a trade. Anytime it's at zeros, we're just staying cash. We're not in a current trade. But right now we are in a trade. And we're up about 15 points, 14 points, 16 points, 17 points. Let's see if we could break past these highs, man. Let's see if we could break past these highs. Come on, do it. Come on. Let's see what ES is doing. ES is ripping. This is good. We need to break above these highs. Currently up about 35 points. Did not see break even there. We're just a little bit off. There we go. We are break even on this trade now, guys. I repeat, we are break even on this trade. There should be zero reason anyone loses money on this trade, because we just hit break even and we are up 38 points here, 43 points here, 46 points here. Can we just run to highs? 224, please. 224 me. Almost. We need a little bit of push. We need 6 points. We were 6 points off. Can we get this easy, quick TP and get it out the way? No. What is this dump? We need to get that. Bro, we were 6 points off TP, man. Come on. Don't do that to me, NQ. I think Trump is speaking at 10. No, he should be speaking at 4 p.m. Unless, like, he's speaking before 4 p.m. as well, which I hope he's not, because I don't want to be in a trade when he's speaking. But ended up, you know, we're break even on this trade, so the worst case scenario, we get stopped out for no gain, no loss. Hopefully, I mean, we do hit TP, but if we don't, it's not the end of the world. But the fact that we were so close to hitting TP and now we're just in the middle, don't really like it. Oh, what a flip. Come on. Let's see if this is it right here. If this is the TP candle. Come on. Let me get TP, man. Come on. $100 more. Look, oh my God, come on. This was the push. Give me 224.50. Come on. Just do it. Just do it. Come on. You're right. Bang! Canceling my limits. Easy day. 61 points caught on stream with you guys. Who took that? Doing it for the Instagram. Guys, that was a quick, easy day. Who took that? Did anyone take that with me? When you move to break even, how many points do you set above? I have it like a point above because every time you go break even, obviously like they're gonna take some fees out because that's just trading like TradeAway and stuff. But I was break even at like 164 when my entry was 163. But what a beautiful trade, y'all. What a beautiful trade. Yet again, the same setup that has been showing up for the last 2 days. Took it again, third time, and we banked. Just passed my lightning funded. Ooh, let's go. Beautiful trade. I took this green. I took it, but I could have gotten a better entry. We can work on the entry, obviously. If you guys did take that trade, if you don't mind, please put in the free Discord for me, the success chat. Let's get everybody rallied up in these lives, man, these free lives. But yeah, guys, let me just show you guys the P&L, obviously, because your boy don't show, your boy don't hide anything, I should say. Get rid of this. This is it right here. $600 per account, where these accounts are up to 1855. Go right here. We made about $615 per account. I was copy trading across 5 accounts. The execution, no other executions here except for this one. I bought 5 micros at 163, held all the way to 224.50, which was showcased fully right here. And yeah, what a day. It's 9:56. I'm going to go record my trade recap and go about my day. That's just quick and easy day for us. Probably the quickest we've been done in a long time. Yesterday we took a trade. We were in there for like 30 minutes. This one I think we were in for less than 5 minutes. No, not 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minutes. About 10 minutes. 10 minutes to make about $3,000. Not bad if you ask me, but I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. If you took a dub, please call it a day. 1 trade, 1 dub, and that is it. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Or no, I'll be live at 9:30. So, yeah, that's all she wrote, boys. You guys have a great rest of your day, and I love every single one of you.